Welcome back to the wind down, the standing one tonight, no floor needed. The day's done, you're done, and that's just right. Let's loosen it all out on our feet and let the day go. Reach both arms up tall, rising onto your toes. Let the whole back line lengthen after a day of sitting. Roll the wrists, flick the fingers, breathe. Float down and dangle. Once more, up and down. 2 deep breaths. And now we move into the holy fig tree. Balance on one leg, one arm up to the sky, the opposite leg gently back, the other arm out to the side to steady you. Hold 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the other side. Same balance, arm up to the sky, opposite leg back, other arm out wide. Hold 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Instead of sitting tonight, let's just stay standing for 2 deep breaths. From here, let's go to standing triangle. Step the feet wide, reach one arm down toward the opposite foot, and send the other arm straight up to the sky, long through both sides. Hold 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then switch. Reach the other arm down. Send the first arm up, long through both sides again. Hold 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 deep breaths. Now let's settle into a standing quad stretch. Stand tall, catch one foot up behind you toward your seat, and float the opposite arm up for balance. Feel the front of the thigh open. Hold 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then the other side. Catch the other foot up behind you. Float the opposite arm for balance. Hold 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 deep breaths. From here, we'll sway into the swaying tree. Reach the arms up like branches and sway gentle. Count 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let the breeze move you. And now we move into Warrior 1. Step one foot back into a lunge, front knee soft, and reach both arms up overhead, strong and tall. Hold 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then the other leg. Step back into the lunge on the other side, arms reaching up overhead, strong and tall. Hold 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 deep breaths. From here, let's go to Warrior 2. Open the hips to the side, arms reaching long, front and back. Gaze out over your front hand, steady and grounded. Hold 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then the other leg. Open the hips the other way, arms long front and back. Gaze over the other hand, steady and grounded. Hold 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 deep breaths. And now let's shake it all out. Hands, arms, legs, loose and a little silly for 5. Count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let the whole day fall off. And done. Sleep easy.